Okay, I brought in two big pulleys and one small pulley as inserted as a new block. They're all free to move right now. I'm going to go ahead and fix the center of this one and this one. Okay, so that basically I can rotate them. But now I'm going to, establish a engage blocks operation. Okay, now what that means is, basically this will rotate around the damn thing. It's like creating friction. But I'm going to go, create the same kind of relationship between these units. So basically when I rotate one, it's like a series of gears. It knows the gear ratio, automatically based on the diameter. So it's, like a quick and dirty set of gears. Okay, and I've created this linkage out of three separate block lines. I drew a line and converted every segment into blocks. I'm going to go ahead and link it to that. Okay. Put this over here, and basically I can rotate that, and you can see the range of motion that linkage will allow. So it's pretty cool. But of course, I didn't fix that one, so I can change this however I want. Okay. And of course it'll fucking go out of control. And this fucking thing has bugs in it. Boy, if you really want a buggy ass program, SolidWorks is the program to use if you like bugs. And of course, you could put driven dimensions on here to look at the range of motion, like the angles or what have you. These are going to create, for example, like between these two, I could go put that there and come make it a driven dimension, wherever the fuck you do that at. Click out of your command here. Well, nope. Who knows? Who knows where the fucking command is? I know I could do it over here. Sometimes it's in your goddamn menu, sometimes it isn't. Who knows? I don't want to be in my fucking goddamn smart dimension command, a fucking piece of shit. Okay, but anyway, it tells you what the angle is, between those when it doesn't get messed up. I'll go fix that point in space. So, shows you the range of it. You can pull it out here if you want. So, anyway. Fortunately, in sketches, copy and paste, Control C and Control V work. So I created a copy of this base assembly here, and I'm going to go ahead and fix these 2 points in place, just like we have in the other assembly. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a Go ahead and add a motherfucker. Add that, okay, and create a block out of it, hitting B on my keyboard, pressing enter. Okay, and I'm going to go add a horizontal relationship here, but between here and here I'm going to add our engage blocks. Okay, so as I rotate this around, it makes this like a rack and pinion. As you can see. So basically, you can do a lot of kinematic studies, with this, including like, if you're trying to make a practical rack and pinion, you can figure out how long your rack needs to be, that kind of thing. I'm going to go explode this block. Okay, you know, because we got other parts out here that depend on it. Let me go change the diameter of it. Okay, and make another new block out of it. Oops. Shit. Shit. Okay. Make a new block out of it. Okay, and you know, and reestablish my relationship, so now I can, you know, edit the size of this pulley without worrying about it. Be nice if I could select this goddamn block. Oh, well, no, you can't have that, can it? Fucking buggy piece of shit. Okay. Great. Didn't do that one either, so I gotta redo it. Buggy piece of shit. At any rate, now I can go edit the size of this pulley if I want. You know, shrink it down like that. Okay, and our, you know, relationships are still there, so despite the bugs, so I can change like the gear ratio or what have you. So, you know, it's another way you can edit things. Okay, now I'm going to exit the sketch and show you that, you know, certainly we can, you know, extrude these various parts. Actually, I could have done them all in the same hold on. Okay, I'm going to go, like I said, you know, select a few of these to extrude. Guess you got to do it ahead of time. I don't know. No, it doesn't seem to like that. Okay. That was my problem. Alright, so anyway, I can, you know, select those, you know, okay, and we created a nice extrusion, and they still have those relationships established. Let me add this to it. That to it. Okay, we still have these relationships, but because we're in a you know, we're in a part, you know, remember, it's not like working in an assembly, so we can't, you know, actually put this in motion in solids. I mean, we can still do it, you know, in the sketch. For example, do it like that. And it moves our extrude, but, you know, the point is you can't do it live like you can in an assembly.